There's a group of muscles called the Iliopsoas. These psoas muscles start right here and it goes down into your iliacus. This is your iliacus crest, and it's that bony part that protrudes, and the muscle lines that bone right in there. So it's deep in there. The way that you find it is you kind of find like that bony part, and you can kind of sink your fingers deep down into that. But it's a very shallow muscle that lines that iliac crest. So the iliopsoas is a muscle that runs on either side of your abdominal wall, and it's deep underneath the abdomen, and it runs all the way down in here. You can kind of dig in deep to get to that psoas muscle. So you're going to use the broad end of the tool because the psoas is a broader muscle, and you're going to place the tool on the psoas. Once you have it in the right location, then you can place your body over it. To demonstrate how to use the iliacus tip of the tool, you're going to find your hip bone, which is the same on men and women, and you're going to place the tip of the tool right inside the crest of that hip bone, which is the iliacus muscle. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Core Nexus tool on my left side of my psoas. I'm going to place the tool on my psoas with my knee extended out, and I'm going to use my body weight to maneuver the tool for the tension that I need. Depending on the tension that you want to release, you can apply all of your weight or you could back off. You can position the tool lower or higher as needed on that psoas. So now we're going to demonstrate how to use the Core Nexus tool on your iliacus. By using the tip of the tool, I'm going to place it into the crest of your hip bone, and using your body weight, lay onto that tool and rock side to side, applying as much of your body weight as needed. Adjusting the tool as needed.
So do you have any tips for locating your psoas or iliacus muscles?
If you're having a hard time finding your iliacus muscle, finding that iliacus crest, I do find that it's helpful to take a deep breath in, kind of lean over a little bit, and you could dig your fingers into that crest.
And then that's where you'll put the iliacus tip.
Yes. And you can move the tip down all the way down here and then up here. Here's your hip bone. That bony part, you can dig your fingers in to find the iliacus.
So you've worked with many clients. What's the typical reason why they have tightness in their iliacus or psoas muscles?
Usually it's because you're in flexion, maybe sitting all the time. But if you're constantly bent over, this muscle is going to get tight. So you need to stretch that muscle out. The Core Nexus tool will help do that.